Greetings and salutations, my name's JW608 and today we are playing Starmade. And, let's see, that's not the button I wanted, that was the button I wanted. Let's put down another room. Let's see, I don't want a 2x2. Or do I? Yeah, let's do a 2x2. And we're gonna paste it. We're just gonna paste it on top of this. Alright, this is gonna be, I guess, maintenance, life support type stuff. So let's see. We're gonna need some of that. We're gonna need some pipes because all life goes through pipes, and scaffolding, and those decorative slots I just got rid of. Okay. Let's see. We're gonna cut out the floor here and add some caution to it. Like, we're gonna cut out the floor here and add some caution stripes. What do they actually call these? Yellow hazard armor. We're gonna add some yellow hazard armor. Alright. So I'm guessing controls over here, machinery over there is kind of what I'm gonna aim for. So let's see. We're gonna do like a server rack there. And like our cables. Alright, and we're gonna run cables this way. That's gonna look decent, I think. Actually, let's take these out and move over one. And we will put these here. There we go. So it hides the side texture that wasn't lining up right. Okay, and we need some charts and decorative wall pieces. We're gonna actually remove these. We're gonna put some charts down. I don't want two colors the same close to each other. There we go. And that one's backwards for some reason. Actually, I kind of like that. The back texture. Okay. And take out this panel as well. And let's see. Needs one of them. More wires and these switchboards. We want servers. And switchboards. Okay. It gives it sort of a science-y type look. And we'll take out this and add some more switchboards and servers. So this is the room that controls all the I guess waste and oxygen and all that good stuff. We'll grab some black standard armor. Let's make a pipe. Let's be lazy about pipe making. Let's be super lazy about pipe making. Oh. And get rid of those. Fill them just with standard. There you go. Okay. Nice large pipe. Imagine it does something important. That's it, that's it. And I want a clock. A clock, clock, clock. And one of them. Except I don't want to. Oh, where I have everything I need. Okay. Let's see. Where do I want my clock? Actually, tell you what, let's put it in the middle of this pipe. Hide it a bit. It's and a knot and that, and the activation goes to the not goes to the and goes to the delay goes back, not to the activation, but to the not. And why did I use an and? Well, because I want to be able to control whether or not the timer is going off without having to actually rip anything up. Where'd my black armor go? I replaced it with logic. Okay. And we're going to cover that up last because I want to get to this. Actually, turn that back on. Okay, I want to get to these two. Alright, we need some lights. Some yellow lights? How about some red lights? The yellow we're going to put on that circuit. We're going to stick one there. And probably going to cut out the floor over here and stick one. I put one up there. Okay, we'll have to find some better way to hide them. And let's even do a red light. And how about there? And one up there. Okay, so now we have a little light going on, a little flashing. And you see we have... Actually, let's go on this side and get rid of all these lights. And all these slab ceilings. So that way I can have pipes or whatever I have on this side meet flush with the ceiling. Sounds good, sounds good. Alright. And... Ooh, rail enhancer, that looks like an industrial type block. Except I don't really want it to control anything. There we go. Or be controlled by anything. I did not mean to do that. Alright. Let's get rid of those and stick those there. So it looks like they're going from one area to another. Let's see. Scaffolding. Yeah, let's put some scaffolding. No, that's not a wedge. Scaffolding there. Maybe a cross beam coming this way. And one coming this way. I don't actually know what the scaffolding does, but it looks neat. And that's the important thing on this particular room. It looks like it should be doing something. Ooh, that lined up perfectly, and I didn't even plan that. Alright. We need some control panels. There we go, control panels. And we're gonna stick control panels over here. And need more pipes. You always need more pipes. Pipes and scaffolding. It'd be nice if the pipes just... they didn't go through all 3,000 rotations, but did could easily only rotated in 4. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, well, or how many other rotations you really need for the pipes? Okay, and we're just gonna run some more pipes over this way. I need something that looks more like a machine of some sort. Let's see, about... what is it? Masset ingot. And... can't put factories enhancers, even though it won't be attached to anything, because we're... well, I can right now because we're on a station. But if I want to use this on a ship, I can't. Let's see... where is... they had... conduit. Well, let's try some conduit. Oh, undo that, and that. Undo all the things. Let's see. We do something like this, and if that's what has a base. Yes, I should have used symmetry and cheated like I did on the pipe, but I didn't. Okay, and that's just wrong. There we go. I need to do the same. Yeah, we're going to do the same over here. They can't see anything. Come on. I know you're supposed to go all these angles. There we go, and just regular. This is Masset ingot. There, now that looks like it's processing a fluid or liquid or air or something. Like, let's take that girder out. And let's move this to here. Alright. And bring you up. Cool. And it needs a decorative chart there. This area looks just a little plain. Come on. There we go. And I'll use this mass rail where it connects. Add a couple more lines of pipes. There and there were our connection points. And where'd that go? There we go. Okay, that looks engineering. And I can hit that button that turns those off. And let's plug that up. I'm going to plug those up with, what are those, switchboards or servers? Decorative servers. Nah, let's plug it with cabling. Yeah. Oh, no. Let's put Plex Store there as an indicator that there's logic back there. Alright. That looks interesting. Looks like a horrible tangled mess. That's sort of the look I was going for. So this is going to be sort of a life support engineering type bay. That might be oxygen, that might be sewer or something. These pipes are running water or sewage or food paste or whatever they're running. And it's a horrible mess, and it looks like an engineer would be, or a ship's engineer would be happy down here, fiddling and making sure everything is running right, and complaining to the captain. Oh, this would be beautiful. Alright, so we are going to save this. This is what? This is a 14 by 7 by 14? By 7 by 14. Copy. We're going to save that as a 7 to the third, 2 by 2. Actually, I think I'm going to change my standard to, that was the wrong button. Change my naming convention to what it is followed by the dimension. So it's the 7 to the third systems, I have them all lumped together. NG Bay. I'm going to call it an NG Bay for right now, 2 by 2. Okay. Paste it to make sure everything worked right. And it looks like it did. Except you'd have to... you'd have to restart the clock. There you go. Okay. There. So if using as a template, you have to fiddle with the clock a bit, but such is life. What is that? Oh, well, that's a little cloud card. Okay. Forget about that. Alright, I've been JW608. This has been Starmade, and I'll take you cats later.